Hey there guys, welcome back to another video in which I'm going to show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint infographic. First of all, you're going to go to shapes and you're going to insert a large circle that covers a slide and you're going to put it into the middle and center of your slide, remove its outline, duplicate it, and then you're going to change its fill to white and then put it into the middle and the center of the main circle. And we're just going to make it smaller as compared to the first circle. Next, what we're going to do is insert a rectangle right this thick and this long, and then we're gonna just like make it more thicker, change this fill to white, rotate it like this, and then put it on top of the circle in half of the circle, but on top, and we're gonna move it to the right side a bit so that we cannot see the last point of this rectangle in the circle. Now we're gonna duplicate it and then rotate it like into a vertical way, and then we're gonna put it right on the circle, and then we're gonna duplicate it again and rotate it horizontally, and then similarly we're gonna put it right here as we did in the first one. Then we're gonna duplicate this one again. We're gonna like just duplicate it and then rotate it in a vertical way as we did to the second shape, and we're gonna put it right here on top of the circle, but the tip of the rectangle doesn't show. Select all of your shapes, go to shape format, click on fragment, and we're gonna just unselect the four main shapes and then remove other shapes, and we're gonna change their fill. So this is what we have as the remaining shape. We're gonna give it some shades palette. So we're gonna give the color palette that I'm gonna use is blue, and like I'm gonna just give it four different shades of blue color that looks great. Now we're gonna insert our text and the icons in this template, so let's just like we're gonna just arrange them again. So that's all we had to make today, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel.